Hello everyone. I'm just here to express how I saw my name in the Bible. It's Corinthians 13, and it really refers to my life. Believe me, since the beginning of my life here on earth, people hate me, and I suffered long very much. And it's here in the Bible. Even Charity suffered long, and even in my life I really suffered long. And now that I was back to the Lord, I give everything to Him, myself, my soul, everything. And it's just so wonderful that the Lord is giving showing me the right path now, and He's leading, and He's leading me into the right direction. And it says here, even follow the charity and desire spiritual gifts, but rather they may prophesy. That's why I'm doing right now. I am not a prophet, but believe me or not, when the Lord talked to me in my dreams, and when He gave me dreams and visions, that's why I I mean I'm not again a prophet, but I share it, because that's how I believe that everybody should know about it. But sad part also is that mostly of people really is so hard to believe because they cannot experience the way that I experience. And I already have suffered in this world so much, and I know there's only one faithful, and that is the Lord. And I believe in everything what He says, and I also want you to know that everything what He says, even in my dreams or in my vision, believe me, it's the truth. And you should have your faith, because He will gonna come, believe me. And I just had this dream earlier about God the Father dealing. So the Lord will not gonna lie, of course. He's the Lord, and He's the only faithful that I know. Men, believe me, every humankind in this world is not faithful. Maybe some are faithful, but for me, it's hard to trust. But I fully trust God more than myself and my life. And I'm just sharing everybody, you should hold on into your faith. Believe in the Lord, because He will come. And believe in your faith. Do not make use of your faith to the Lord. And God bless all. Amen.